Gottlieb System 80 driver board, and it had a few failed drive circuits. I repurposed one of the transistors here. These are coin counter transistors, and on games like Black Hole, Haunted House, Mars God of War, etc., those aren't used. So I moved that transistor down to here, I believe. And I had to add a few from my NOS stock, and I provided a ground attachment point and tinned all the edges. And it is in my RoboWar right now, and RoboWar uses every lamp circuit. So as long as we have lamps flashing everywhere here, all those lamp drives are good. So now I will put it into test, and one solenoid 7 you won't see or hear anything because that's the one that I repurposed. 80B lamp test is next to useless. Seven, you wouldn't hear anything. The knocker was broken when I first got the board too, or the knocker circuit. And then there are no more tests that involve the driver board, so I can pronounce this board good to go. Thanks for sending it.